6th grade Exploring Technology Introduction Letter. Welcome to Exploring Technology. I would like to share some information about this course with you. This is a daily 45-minute semester course with a state assessment at the end of the semester. Purpose of the course: Exploring Technology prepares students with an understanding of what is technology, the universal systems model, and opportunities to apply the engineering design process in problem solving. The source is the International Technology and Engineering Educators Association. I look forward to working with you throughout this course. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Course information. In this course, students learn all about the nature of technology and problem solving. Students have opportunities to study the scope of technology and its impacts on society. They learn about the core concepts of technology and about the various approaches to solving problems, including engineering design and experimentation. Students participate in engineering design activities to understand how criteria, constraints, and processes affect design. Students are involved in activities and experiences where they learn about brainstorming, visualizing, modeling, constructing, testing, experimenting, and refining designs. Students also develop skills in researching for information and communicating design information. Source: International Technology and Engineering Educator Association. Grading policy. Tests are 45% of your grade. Quizzes and projects 25%. Classroom and homework 25%. Agenda checks 5%. Classroom expectations and procedures. Expectations: be on time and prepared for class. 2. Stay on task. 3. Stay in your assigned seat. 4. Be respectful. Procedures: 1. Bring your binder, agenda, black pens, and number 2 pencils, mechanical or regular, to class every day. 2. Follow steps on proper care of equipment. 3. Keep all materials organized. 4. Always use the pass if given permission to leave the classroom. Opening steps. Always read the board when you come into class. Sit in your assigned seat. Begin the anticipatory set. Closing steps. Properly save and close documents and programs. All procedures will be reviewed. Clean up workstation and table. Push in your chair and line up according to the teacher's directions. Daily supplies. You'll need a 1 1/2 inch binder, filler paper, 5 index tabs for binder, black ink pens, number 2 pencils, headphones or earbuds, colored pencils, colored markers. Additional supplies might be needed for projects through the semester. Late work and makeup policy. Students who are absent are responsible for visiting the teacher's website and speaking with the teacher about makeup work. Plans for missed work will be decided on an individual basis. Worksheets will be given with due dates.